Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Spotify when your songs aren't downloading. Stick with me until the end and you'll have your music working offline again. The first thing you should do is update Spotify to the latest version. Head over to the App Store or Google Play, search for Spotify, and hit update if it's available. Outdated versions can have bugs that stop downloads from working. Next, make sure you're on Spotify Premium. Only premium users can download music for offline listening, so if you're on the free plan, that's why downloads won't work. On Android, missing permissions can also cause problems. Long press the Spotify app icon, tap App Info, then go to Permissions. Make sure music and audio is allowed, and also turn on photos and videos so Spotify can save your downloads. Once all permissions are granted, go back to Spotify and try downloading a playlist. In most cases, this fixes the problem right away, and that's it. Your Spotify downloads should now work without any issues. If this helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more quick fixes, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.